everybody. Here's my little review where I am about to compare different objectives that might be connected to a Smzu microscope, and those are supposed to be used, almost suited to be used on fixing processor pins and processor conductors. For my work, I have taken one Apple's A13 processor, and for some resolution information, I've taken my usual suspect, Intel i386 microprocessor. So let's look at first combination here. Here's kind of the same thing like this Deeplen 1X Nikon's objective with working distance of 82 millimeters. But in our case, this microscope has no changes in his mechanic, so usual ring decreases height to 74 millimeters. But my real Smzu customers have their microscopes able to have whole 82 millimeters working distance. So let's initially we should look at through the 20x eyepiece. I have two eyepieces here. One is 10x Olympus and another is 20x Olympus. To see real resolution, we need to use this 20x Olympus, but to see the field of view, we can use this 10x eyepiece. So let's just look at view. Here's a full field of view with 10x eyepiece, but it won't give us any information connected to the processor. So now let's look at the processor to see real resolution of our base Nikon objective. I have to put those structure in the very center so you can see what can we get here. Let's try. As you can see, all around the frame we have a lot of structures easily seen, and I don't know whether it would be interesting for you or not. Oh, here at least we see our structure as a resolution chart here. Okay, now let's turn to some real thing here. That is our Apple's processor. Let me put it in the center of the field, and we'll try to look at something more familiar for most who fix phones. Okay guys, so here's our view. We will look a bit, we will walk a bit over the surface of this iPhone. This iPhone processor got scratched for me by Maxim from Kherson 2 and something years ago. So you can see a lot of defects and see how structure looks like with a base Smzu resolution. So let's just walk a bit over the surface and see things we have. I will change focus time to time to show you different layers, but with this 1x objective there are no such situation when layers are strongly detached one from another. So let's just move over the processor and see those structures a bit. changing focus a bit, and we are moving further. I'll try, I suppose, to show all the same pieces of the processor, of the pins, with different objectives. So just try to look at them, and maybe you will spot little difference with objectives. And by the way, I'm making photos of such places, so later you can compare photos too. So far, resolution is 25% higher than Olympus SZ61. Even might be not 25, even might be 30% higher. So let's just finish our little tour here over the processor pins. And the last point we are coming to is the black surface, where we can check alignment of objective and microscope. So far, 1X objective has very nice alignment almost all the time. Okay, so we made our little whole turn and return to our base position. Okay, so let's stop with this, and we are switching to another objective.